Hey, what's up, everyone that watched this video here for Friday, April 23rd. Daily chart of the SPY. We had a red day today. Actually, things were going along pretty well until, I don't know, somebody came out and said capital gains needs to be 120% or something along those lines. We can't have people doing well without taking some and giving to others. And that was a bit of a slap to the market. So, anyway, had a really nice day today. The teamwork was fantastic. I'm going to show one highlight, and I don't even know who to give credit to. We had BTX on watch, and I want to say 3 or 4 people said, "Hey, this is holding up really well, interesting through 11 with the earlier high just above," and it was like the strongest stock out there. And look at that 11 break goes all the way to 1347. In the notes. On the highlight page, I just wrote several members teamed up. So usually I try to give credit to individuals. My apologies for not naming people this time, but I know several people were talking about it. So, and I saw a whole bunch of people that did well on that one. It was a nice post. Some nice trades today in OCGN too, including one by Nick C. in After Hours, which was a good post too. So things are moving nicely. And I don't want to say everything's back to normal, but at least we're seeing better action than we have for a while. And if you go back to the SPY, you look at all these days that just had, gaps within a really narrow range. There's a lot of them lately. Well, we got 2 days in a row with good range on the SPY, and that's also reflected in intraday charts. And, as you guys know, I'm an intraday trader. So speaking of intraday, let's look at some charts that I'm going to watch tomorrow for intraday setups. I don't hold anything overnight. OCGN, strong move. It actually went up in after hours to 1031. So who knows if it's going to be a gap play tomorrow. That usually takes some of the oomph out of the follow through day. But anyway, we're going to put that one on long watch. Really nice short squeeze in that one today. Skills, after the big day yesterday, then gapped up and then filled the gap. Really nobody's winning here. You got bulls from yesterday and then winning, and then bulls from today in trouble. So we kind of found equilibrium right at basically the 2-day close. But because I'm a day trader and because it's definitely in play, we're going to watch it tomorrow for an A+ intraday setup. Same thing with BTX, really strong move today. It's also really extended, but it's been such a good trader that we're going to put it back on watch tomorrow. FSR, one thing I don't like about this, you had the big move yesterday, but then you had the gap down today, and it really didn't mount much of a rally. I mean, if you go to intraday, you could argue it was doing pretty well until the capital gains thing came out, and then it bled lower. So again, because to me it's still technically in play, but way off of yesterday's highs, I'm still going to watch it. XM, nice breakout today, and a fairly strong close, all things considered. The Dow was down, I think, over 300 points, so certainly worth watching tomorrow for some kind of follow-through set up. Same thing with CVM and NKLA, closing well off its highs. I had a couple nice trades in this one today. Definitely going to watch it tomorrow. Really nice volume, but again, maybe you could argue it closed well off its highs because of the whole capital gains thing. TYHT is super interesting to me. Because 2 days in a row topped out right around 750. So tomorrow, if we can flag below that and then break 750, I'll probably give it a try. The thing I don't like about it is it's had a big move over 2 days, right? So I don't like to chase stuff like that. So it'll have to be a really clean setup. CDAK. Man, I keep thinking I already showed this chart, but I'm looking at it. Doesn't look like I did. Nice pop today and a pretty strong close. We'll watch for a follow-through day there tomorrow. NVIDIA getting down near the 20-day after a really nice move. So this one nicely under 600 now. This one goes on bounce watch again for tomorrow. I keep having this on watch, and I really almost never find my way into it, including today. But I like that it's coming down to the 20-day tomorrow, and it's flushed below 600. So I like it more today than I have since I started watching it. And then lastly, SYPR. Excuse me, in after hours went out at $4. So they had news in after hours. And actually, I think hit 450 before closing at 4 and after hours. So I'm going to watch that as a potential gapper. We'll add other gappers to the list as well. And I'll see everybody in the chat room on Friday morning.